Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to add location to Instagram. Friends, if you want to add location to your Instagram reel or post, then you need to open Instagram app. Now here in your Instagram app, you need to press on the plus icon. Now from here you need to select. Now after selecting the video, press on next. Press on next again. Now here you will find the option to add location. Now press on next. Now press on share to share this reel with location. Friends, if you want to add a story in which you want to add location, then you need to press on the plus icon. Here select story. Now in story you need to select the video or image which you want to share as story. Now here in the video, to add location, you need to press on this sticker icon, and here you need to select location. Now add a location. Now adjust the size. And click on next. Now select the sharing option and click on share. So friends, like this you can very easily add location to your Instagram story or reel. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.